I invested in the STU course with Ramez, my return has been easily 5x. I set a price, I would have quoted 185,000 dirhams instead of the 200,000 dirhams. So he's like, so that's an exact difference of 15,000. And I said, yes. And he's like, and that's the cost of your course. I said, exactly. And he's like, there, you've recovered it. We currently live in a very, very different environment, which brings us to believe that sales is nearly impossible. I got in touch with a friend of mine. I love how she presents herself. I love her positive mindset. What attracted me to her was, all of these qualities, and that's why I was compelled to ask her if she knew a good sales trainer that could help me out during these difficult times. Her name is Reem Al-Houni. She's one of, Mr. Ramez's star students. So she guided me to him, and that's when, I got in touch with Mr. Ramez. I loved how he really, truly understood what our troubles were. He also, interestingly, made me understand why I had certain beliefs about my team and my team's potential. He suggested that I start with the Selling Through Uncertainty, which is a specialized program for this time. I signed up my sales team for the 4-week program, and man, have I learned a lot. The biggest thing that I've observed is my mindset and my belief. And I think that changes the entire game. And I'm happy to share what positive changes it's brought, especially to my mindset, and how we are constantly living in fear, which is not actual fear, but it actually stands for false expectations appear to be real. I'm able to make that differentiation between what I'm assuming and what I believe versus what the actual reality. When the market was great, right? When everything was good, say 2021 until 2025, we never really saw an issue with the sales team. But when things get difficult, certain discrepancies and certain weaknesses start to surface. That's when I realized that, we have to bring our A game on, but who to tell us what is it to bring on? What I've understood from, what I've observed rather from this course, with my team is that a lot of the sales that they've been doing has probably been right time, right place, has probably been the fact that they just have a good rapport with clients, or has probably been the fact that we were discounting to not lose clients and we thought we were winning. After the course, we realized that there are a few crucial and critical steps that we need to make before closing a sale. Even one of those are missed, it can have a detrimental effect on your sale. So there were a lot of aha moments during the course where we realized that, oh, okay, we've not had the chance to ask this, or we've applied some of these things somewhere in the sales process, but not all, and we've applied it with some of the clients and we haven't with some of the clients. So it's not been a consistent, systematic approach to sales. Where I feel like my team has been significantly improving is that we're consciously asking those questions. We're consciously trying to use the frameworks that Ramez has taught us. So yeah, I see a big improvement. I see a big realization and a revelation in my sales team telling me that, okay, Harsha, I'm much more confident to close this project because I know a lot more about the client now, simply by using the framework. And it's amazing how the framework applies to our industry, the exhibitions industry, so well. The one thing I'm going to reinforce is a sales meeting. We have not been consistent with sales meetings, and now I know exactly how my sales meetings have to be structured in a way that will encourage consistent use of the frameworks that Ramez has taught us. That's how I'm ensuring that. And what I'm also doing in the process is we're trying to come up with internally, with success stories, things that have worked with clients and why, using the frameworks. Yes, I have invested time and money into this, but my return has been easily 5x, right? I can just give you an example where I've already recovered the money that I invested in the STU course with Ramez. There is a company rather that I recently closed a deal with because thanks to Ramez, I was also given access to the no negotiation seminar, which I applied to one of the difficult negotiations sessions that I was having with the client during this time, during the course. So at the end of it, we did close the project. I did not budge on the price because of the tips and tricks I know now. And at the end, I was able to secure the project. So Ramesh asked me, Harsha, had you not done the course, had you not done the seminar, what would you have done otherwise? I said a price. I would have quoted 185,000 dirhams instead of the 200,000 dirhams that I quoted initially. So he's like, so that's an exact difference of 15,000. And I said yes, and he's like, and that's the cost of your course, with my team. And I said exactly, and he's like, there, you've recovered it. So I would have left that money on the table if it wasn't for the course. And after that, also we've had a lot of success stories, which are still in the pipeline, closed already, some of them, and still in the running this week. I have my team that's already closing projects. The LPOs that we've received has increased in value for sure. So I can say a minimum of 5x, but I'm not sure about the figure yet. I would tell them do it ASAP, do the training ASAP, because the cost of waiting is not zero, as Ramesh says. And what I've realized is anyone can do sales. Selling is so easy when you're told just do A, B, C, D, and E, and you've actually closed the project. I would say that selling is that easy. If a sales leader is not to be fooled by saying that the market is hard or the environment is tough or people are not paying, they don't have budgets, I would easily tell the leader, you can be proven wrong. Your team that's on ground and on field can be proven wrong because these frameworks are in fact working even during these uncertain times.